Out here doing a little turkey hunting. It's been pretty cold out. The whole first season kind of sucked so far, but the sun actually came out, so it's a far cry from it was snowing this morning with 14-mile-an-hour winds. Just got out of the blind. We've done been here twice already. Looky here. Just seen that poking out of the dirt. That's definitely looks like it's got flaking on it. Oh, nice. Nice. Yes. Look at that.
Oh, it's a big piece.
Dude, it is. It's killer. I think there's a flake that's knocked off of it, and it's right here. Right there. Yep, boom. There's that flake. Unbelievable. I have to keep all of that. Killer. Well, I'm sure it'll look good after we clean it up. That's not a bad start for the stuff we've been going through for trying to find some of these turkeys that ain't showing themselves. If we find anything else, we'll get back to you. Gobble, gobble.
Some lead at him. I don't know if I hurt him too bad. He's probably about 50, 60 yards, but I busted him.
A decent one. She's got a good fucking beard, dude. Like probably 4 inches, 6 inches.
Oh, man, should I shoot her?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, here, you want to look?
No, I believe you. I just don't know if I want to shoot him.
Right there, man, with a beard. Look at that kick-ass beard. That's a hell of a beard, man. What are we here for?
You want her?
Yeah.
Well, it's been a while since I shot a turkey, actually, and we was debating about shooting a bearded hen if one showed up. I guess we just answered that question. So, awesome, I love it. We just got in the blind probably 10 minutes ago, had ourselves a honey bun.
Well, part of one.
Part of one. Guy just got stung by a wasp right before the hen showed up. All kinds of crazy stuff. Found an arrowhead this morning, guy did, so obviously we've had a good morning. Just killed a turkey, and I guess that's a good day for as nasty as it was. I hear her flopping out there. Yep, she's done. We'll get out. She's wanting to get down off in the timber. Let me get out of there before she gets away from us. Usually I hate to shoot a hen in a way, but it's been tough. I haven't shot a bird in a few years, and I thought, you know what? And guy just asked me, what are we doing here? We got a bearded hen right here, and he said she's got a good one. And he tricked me the other day because we had a hen come in and he told me I had a beard, and it was funny because he got me going. And no, great hunt. She's a pretty good sized hen. Been a while since I shot a bearded hen. Probably my second best one. I killed one a few years, probably several years ago, I guess now. Got a good beard on it, but I bet that's 7 or 8 inches, to be honest with you. I'm glad the guy talked me into putting the bads on her. Gobble, gobble. Awesome.